Are you gonna figure out how to play with that toy? You gonna figure out how to play with it? Maybe. Here you go. You wanna grab it? You wanna grab it? Maybe. Oh, so close. You're getting so close. You're getting so close. You almost had that in your mouth earlier, didn't you? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. You want to get that in your mouth, don't you? You want to get that in your mouth, don't you? Oh, look. You can use your hands. You can use your hands, can't you? Oh, look at that. Look at you using your hands. Oh, hello. Look at you using your hands like a good girl. Like a big girl. Uh-oh. Is it getting frustrating? You can do it. You can do it.